Let's look at some examples for Standard 1D, misconduct. To celebrate his birthday on Tuesday, Lewis went to a restaurant at 1 p.m. with his friends and shared some drinks and food. Afterwards, he returned to work and was a bit drunk. However, he performed his day-to-day tasks with his clients without any problem and had a successful presentation in front of his managers. Has Lewis violated this standard? While you may think that Lewis did not breach this standard because he had a normal day at work and had a successful presentation, getting drunk may make Lewis incapable of properly completing his tasks. Thus, Lewis has indeed violated Standard 1D. Example 2. Sarah is known to be a social and environmental activist. During a protest, she was arrested for trespassing on private property and is under investigation. Has Sarah violated this standard? The answer is no. Sarah's conduct does not show incompetence or irresponsibility toward her professional duties. Her personal beliefs and activism do not violate the standard. Find the full Standard 1D misconduct video on www.cognivisio.com.